Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys come on 12th September to watch our bold film.
Arjun, Deepika here from Alok from AFM.
Different, not bold.
Yeah, different. Sorry, quirky.
मेरा सवाल आप दोनों से है।
Quirky and cool, correct.
जी पूछिए।
सवाल ये है कि लेजेंड्स के साथ आप दोनों ने काम किया है, नसीर साहब हैं, डिबल हैं, पंकज साहब हैं, ये लोग।
थैंक गॉड आपने उनका नाम ले लिया, मैं सोचा था आप होमी को लेजेंड बुला रहे एक सेकंड।
नहीं, 10-20 सालों में आप लोग भी हो जाएंगे।
जी जी जी।
तो इनके साथ काम करना और स्पेशली उनके डांस की स्टाइल, अगर आप दोनों बताएं कि किस तरीके का डांस है, उनका प्रेजेंस होना सेट पे कितना इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, प्रेजेंट।
You want to know about their dancing style and आपने अगली चीज क्या?
एंड उनका काम करने का ढंग जो होता है।
देखिए, dancing style I think we were given this freewheeling ability by our director and choreographer कि जो हमारे मन में हम गाना सुन के करे, तो कोई dancing style नहीं था, we all just try to have fun. जहाँ तक काम की बात की जाए, I think their work and body of work speaks for itself. They're fantastic actors. I think I speak on her behalf and homies that we are honored to that they agreed to be a part of this film. They bring so much value, so much experience, and the command over the craft is tremendous. अपने काम को बहुत अच्छी तरह जानते हैं, and I think we have become better actors by just being in the same frame as all three of them.
दीपिका, कभी आपने मुर्गी पकड़ी है अपने? मुर्गी पकड़ी है कभी? मुर्गी
Have I? Murgi.
मुर्गी पूछ
Chicken.
Dummy. It was a dummy. It was a dummy that we ate for lunch.
Okay.
After the shot.
तो
हाय अर्जुन,
दीपिका, वो हाथ में आपने मुर्गी भी रखा है, उसको काटने का यंत्र भी रखा है।
मुर्गी को क्या?
मुर्गी को रखा है हाथ में, उसको काटने का भी यंत्र रखा है। तो ऑन सेट कुछ ऐसा किया लाइफ में? आप खाती हैं मुर्गी, चिकन?
सर, अगले आधे घंटे में लंच होने वाला, मुझे लगता है आपको भूख लग रही है।
Arjun, hi Arjun and Deepika, this question is to you. This side, on your left.
जी.
Yeah. I just needed to, every person like searches something in life. Like in life में जैसे इसमें life है, romance है, love है. What are you looking out from life? In fact?
Me personally.
You, yeah, yourself and Deepika.
Happiness.
The pursuit of happiness.
And happiness, how will you define happiness? Happiness किसमें मिलता है आपको?
हर रोज अलग रीजन होते हैं खुश होने के सर। कभी काम से खुशी मिलती है, कभी पर्सनल लाइफ से मिलती है, कभी कभी कोई किसी से मिल लो तो खुशी मिलती है। यू कैन फाइंड happiness in different ways in different places when you least expect it, so you can't describe it in आपको किससे मिलती है। हर रोज you find different experiences that give you genuine happiness.
दीपिका, हेलो,
तोड़ दो बस।
I think a little bit like what Arjun said, but I think when you finally find yourself and you have the confidence in yourself to just be the person that you are and you want to be, I think that gives me a lot of happiness.
Deepika, hi, Janvi from Times Now.
Hi.
Hi. Deepika, there were reports recently that you were spending a lot of time on the sets of Dil Dhadakne Do. So will we see you in a special cameo in that film, or were you just hanging out on the sets?
I don't do cameos.
So how is it? What was the experience like on the cruise?
I'll just send the girl with the mask.
So Deepika, how was your time on the sets? What was the cruise like?
It's irrelevant to this event, no? We'll chat later.
दीपिका, आपसे जानना चाहूंगा, दीपिका कैन यू हियर मी? चाहे चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस का मिनामा का किरदार हो या लीला हो, रामलीला की लीला हो, जबान पे आपकी एक बहुत अच्छी पकड़ रही है। जहाँ हम लैंग्वेज की एसेंट की बात करते हैं, फैनी को निभाते वक्त गोवा की भी एक अलग जुबान है, एक अलग एसेंट, एक अलग लहजा है। ये कितना चैलेंजिंग रहा फैनी का किरदार निभाते हुए? और डू यू एग्री कि कॉकटेल से लेकर अब तक कितना ग्रो किया आपने एज एन एक्टर, और कितना योगदान मानती है आप भूमि का अपने कैरियर में?
I think as far as how much I have grown, I think you should ask someone like Homi who's worked with me in the capacity of a director. As far as the accent is concerned, it's actually something I really enjoyed with Fanny, because the film is set in Goa, and I got to speak my mother tongue in the film, which is Konkani. Goans do speak Konkani, we know that. So I got to experiment, improvise, but most importantly, it's a nice feeling when you have command over a language. Having said that, I think the first few days on set were very difficult, not just for me, but for all of us. When you're an actor in a Hindi film, you're used to listening to yourself in Hindi and performing in Hindi and hearing yourself in Hindi. When you start doing the same thing in English, it just sounds different. So it takes a couple of days to get used to that. Yeah.
अर्जुन, आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा, यहाँ इस तरह की फिल्म में पंकज कपूर साहब जैसे, नसीर साहब जैसे, और दीपिका को सब नंबर 1 ही मानते हैं आज की तारीख में एक्ट्रेस. आई होप यू टेक माई क्वेश्चन ऑन अ पॉजिटिव नोट. तो अर्जुन, आपको नहीं लगता कि डूइंग अ फाइंडिंग फैनी फिल्म लाइक फाइंडिंग फैनी इज अ रिस्क और एक्सपेरिमेंट फ्रॉम योर साइड? व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट इट?
I actually didn't think about it at all. I think a lot of people think that it's a risk. It was brave on my part, but I just feel like I didn't think about it so much. I went with my heart. I went with my instinct, and most importantly, trust. I trust Homie, and I remember him narrating this story to me when we were shooting Cocktail, and.
Thank you so much. The question was for Arjun Kapoor. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I was waiting to complete. I was waiting for your answer to
I'm
get
so
completed.
sorry.
It's okay. No problem. Arjun, now it's your turn. Arjun.
नहीं, आप उनका नाम निकाल के कट कॉपी पेस्ट करके मेरा जवाब लिख.
Sir.
I didn't hear you say Arjun. I'm so sorry.
I've used Arjun.
मैं वेट कर रहा था कि सांस ले पर नहीं.
Even I was waiting to get her completed.
नहीं पर
Arjun.
Sir.
It's happened in the film also a lot of times.
हाँ, मैं बस खड़े रह गया. जैसे इन्होंने कहा, I didn't look at it. देखिए, हम नाप तोल के चीजें नहीं करते. There's something called impulse and instinct that you go by. I was offered this film at a very interesting time in my life, and he came to me after seeing Ishaq Zada and said, I think you can play this character in this and live this world. तो मुझे वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगा that the director has that vision for me at such a nascent stage in my career. तो मैंने ज़्यादा इतना सोचा नहीं, नाप तोल के चीज़ें नहीं करता हूँ मैं. मुझे मौका मिल रहा है इतने दिग्गज कलाकारों के साथ काम करने का. I'll become a better actor for it hopefully. So I did it just for the experience of it and not trying to calculate ये मेरा सही समय करने के लिए या मैं बाद में करना चाहिए या पहले. सब कंप्लेन करते हैं, हम लोग कुछ अलग नहीं करते. तो दुआ करता हूँ इस बार लोग कंप्लेन नहीं करेंगे और बोलेंगे अच्छा है कुछ अलग किया हम सब ने. Thank you.
Hi Deepika. Okay, now Arjun and your very close friend Ranveer has done a very interesting cameo in the movie, right? So hi, yeah. So Arjun and your very close friend Ranveer has done a very interesting cameo in the movie, and you wouldn't do a cameo, but apparently Ranveer agreed to do this because of you convinced him to. Is it true?
अब आप किससे पूछ रहे हो भैया?
पहले दीपिका से, फिर
I didn't even lift the mic to answer this.
ये दीपिका से, उसके बाद will come.
You said Arjun, don't lie.
I said,
no,
hi
no,
Deepika,
no,
your and Arjun's
no,
very close friend
no,
Ranveer.
No. You
ठीक
said
है,
hi Arjun.
she answered earlier on my behalf, so this time I'll answer.
So this is your being the spokesperson. Good. Arjun, give a nice
We are
quote.
being each other's spokesperson.
We are being normal people and having a conversation with you. You want to enjoy that for a change?
Absolutely, I'm enjoying that.
Okay, so let's answer the question, which is, it's fun when people go out and do things on a whim without thinking so much. It was great fun that he allowed himself to be a part of it, and I think it was more because of the fact that Homie one evening had met him and just narrated this story to him and this journey, and he agreed willingly, I think, in that moment to. He did a friendly appearance because of that, because of Homie's narration style. That's what it was actually, more than anybody else.
Okay, would Deepika want to comment?